Hey guys! Did you know that if you were to remove your spacesuit in the vacuum of space, you'd only have about 15 seconds to live? Yeah, that's right. Space is not the friendly neighborhood we see in movies. Let's dive into why that is. So, what exactly is a spacesuit? These high-tech suits are not just fashion statements for astronauts, they're life-saving gear designed to protect from the harsh environment of space. They regulate temperature, supply oxygen, and keep us safe from radiation. Today we're going to explore a wild experiment. What would really happen if an astronaut just ditched their spacesuit in the cold, dark void of space? Buckle up. Alright, picture this. You're floating around in zero gravity surrounded by the infinite expanse of space. Suddenly, for some bizarre reason, you decide to take off your spacesuit. What happens next? Well, first off, you're hit with the reality of pressure. Space is a vacuum, which means there's no air pressure at all. Without the suit, your body would be exposed to this vacuum. You might think, no big deal, right? But trust me, it's a huge deal. Your blood would start to boil at body temperature. Yes, you heard that right, because the boiling point of liquids decreases in a vacuum. Plus, your lungs would expand, and if you didn't exhale before taking off the suit, you'd suffer from lung rupture. Sounds pretty intense, doesn't it? Now, let's break down the science behind this. In space, there's no oxygen. Without your suit, you'd be gasping for air, but there's none to be found. You would lose consciousness in mere seconds due to hypoxia, which is just a fancy term for lack of oxygen. But it doesn't stop there. The temperature in space can swing from super hot to freezing cold, depending on whether you're in sunlight or shadow. Your exposed skin would be at the mercy of these extreme temperatures. If you're in direct sunlight, you'd be facing temperatures over 250 degrees Fahrenheit. On the flip side, in the shade, it could plummet to minus 250 degrees. Your body would be in serious trouble, and all of this would happen in a matter of moments. Now let's get to the juicy part of our experiment. Imagine the moment when all these factors collide. You're floating there, and suddenly your body starts to swell due to the lack of pressure. Your blood begins to boil, and you can't breathe. Visualize this with some dramatic effects, your body expanding, your face contorting in shock, and then everything goes dark as you pass out. It's a wild ride, and it's not just science fiction. This is what happens in reality. You'd be unconscious in about 15 seconds, and if you weren't rescued immediately, you'd be gone in under 2 minutes. Crazy, right? So to wrap this all up, removing your spacesuit in space is not just a bad idea, it's a recipe for disaster. From boiling blood to freezing temperatures, the harsh environment of space demands respect. Spacesuits are literally the difference between life and death for astronauts. They're incredible inventions that allow us to explore beyond our planet safely. What do you think about space exploration and the risks astronauts take? Have you ever thought about what it would be like to float in space? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you have any other crazy experiments you'd like to see, drop those suggestions too. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. See you next time. Subscribe to Technosphere channel for more knowledgeable videos.